All right, now we're dealing with problem 14.61 from lesson 18, homework on oscillations from Mastering Physics. So we see we are given some information about Earth's acceleration due to gravity and the fact that it changes from location to location. We can also see that we have a pendulum length, that 1 meter here, and we want to know how long does it take to do 100 oscillations to take at the equator. So, well, in order to find out how long 100 takes, let's find out how long 1 takes first. And to do that, we're going to go ahead and look at the period for a pendulum. The period for a pendulum is equal to 2 pi times the square root of L over G. For the first part, we are looking at the gravity near the equator, that 9.78 meters per second squared. That's what you're going to plug in for the G right here. The length is going to be your 1 meters. Once you have the period for 1 oscillation, the period for 100 oscillation, or the time for 100 oscillations is going to be that time times 100. You are going to use the same process for your time to do your oscillations at the pole, and again, but you're just going to use your new number. Once you have that, you are going to then, for part C, use this information to solve for G. All right. So first you need the period. Period is going to be the number of oscillations you have, your time divided by the number of oscillations you have is going to give you the period. Once you have that, you can solve for G, and that actually gives you T divided by 2 pi, and that's all squared. And hold on, sorry, I'm jumping ahead of myself. G is going to equal L over T divided by 2 pi squared. All right, so that gives you for part C.